Okay, it's day 3 or 4. This video's kind of ended abruptly several times by now.
It's a cascading effect.
Yeah. So front suspension worked great.
Oh my god, I
Much better.
It's a go-kart. I just gotta get that extra go-kart feeling. We gotta get that rear sway bar fucking stiff as hell.
Yeah.
Should be gold.
So now, hey, why don't you put on the next notch there, buddy?
You know what? I could have done that, but I like to piss people off. Just like.
There we go. So we got our $30 cold air intake.
We're gonna pull this bitch out of here. Fucking shit.
Yeah, just leave that up aside, you know.
You tightened it, didn't you? Ah, yeah. Before I
and then there's a bolt. Well, there's a bolt right here too.
I know there is. But before you could just it off. It was so loose.
Yeah, but then I fixed it nice and proper. You want to dunk that in the diesel fuel?
Actually, I do.
Hey guys.
It's like saute this.
You see this video yet? No.
You're like saute this.
Yeah. This end goes right to the intake.
Fuck that. I got some new tube. Cool.
You like how it's blue?
And I think that's for the sticker manure to put in the hamburger.
Look, this was
look at
this was blue too.
Look at that.
Well,
Or is that
I don't. That's for something that's probably non-existent in here. And it comes with one of those sphincter air filters.
God.
Oh yeah.
You sounded like NASCAR in no time. You're like, wait a minute. I am destroying things to destroy things. Thanks, Cheapo.
It's like they're tightening it.
And then I'm gonna be mad if this fucked off because it's starting to get kind of weird.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, sure.
So I noticed tubes that I'm on another video, and that might be shocking for you. But hey, look.
Yeah. Like, oh no. Well, you know, yeah, whatever.
Like Adam on the show may cause anxiety. Unnecessary taking of pain pills and drugs. Like, oh god.
Like, sorry, Todd.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, just
get out of here.
There you go.
No!
Almost hit the Explorer.
Damn it! I didn't throw it hard enough. I gotta destroy things.
You're so close.
I might throw it again.
You're so close.
The turning radius.
Oh yeah, sounds like a Honda now. No, I'm kidding.
What's that supposed to mean? Oh, what the? Oh, God damn, you're
God damn it, Explorer!
Mustang.
Oh, the Mustang, yeah.
Oh boy, that hell was deeper than I thought it was. 70%.
You're like,
Bye.
we gotta go! Yeah!
Yes, I
Now we need the exhaust. Well, tubes, that's enough of that for today. Clear! See you later!
Bye.